Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Instagram Instant. Firstly, what you need to do is you need to open the Instagram app on a device. And next is you need to go to the chats icon in the bottom. And from the chats here in the bottom right, there's this plus icon. You need to select that plus icon. This opens the instant camera here. You can take a photo by tapping the shutter button or press and hold to the shutter button to record a video as well. And over here you can also flip the camera by simply selecting this camera flip in the bottom right. So in order to share a video, what you can do is you need to simply press onto this camera icon. And that is it. This is how you can share a video in Instagram Instant. And in the top right, you can select that icon. And from here you can find all of your instant. And that is it. That's how you can share a video in Instagram Instant. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.